Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting that's happening right now in Windows 11 is the fact that Microsoft hasn't yet mentioned or talked about a 25H2. So on Windows 11, if you have moved to the latest version, you're on 24H2 right now, and there's still a lot of people on 23H2. And of course, the expectation is that there will probably be a 25H2 later this year. Now, one hint that this might be happening, we talked in the previous video, and Microsoft did talk about the fact that the Windows Insider Dev channel is moving away from the beta channel. They were about the same thing for a while now. So for those that went to the Windows Insider program that are on Dev channel, you'll see that the new update that has appeared is pushing your build number to 26200. So that means that the Dev channel could be an indication that this is where 25H2 is going to start to be tested. So if that's the case, that would be where the new features and the things that are going to appear in 25H2 are going to show up. Now, 24H2 is known to be a big update, although as big as it is, it's not visibly that big for most people. Most people don't really see much of a difference. Plus, a lot of people are right now avoiding it because they see all these problems popping up all the time. So 25H2, we're not sure. Is it a big update? Or could it just be what they call an enablement package? What's an enablement package? It's simply that features are there within your Windows operating system. They're just not turned on yet. So this could be that type of update, which means less chance of having major problems, and maybe a good thing if it would be an enablement package, because as Windows 10 will get end of support and maybe some will be tempted to move on to Windows 11. If they move on to a more stable Windows 11 build, maybe that could be a pretty good idea by the end of this year. But still, no mention. And even the Dev channel build, now that moves to 26200, Microsoft continues saying, oh, we're testing 24H2 stuff in there. So they kind of are avoiding mentioning 25H2 right now. So we'll wait. There usually is an official announcement that 25H2 will arrive, or there is a new something that will arrive. But it's not clear yet. It's not clear what it is, how big it is. It's not even clear it's a thing. But we pretty much all expect 25H2 to land somewhere in September or October of this year. We'll see what happens with that, as this is usually the way it goes. And, we're going to reach soon 4 years of Windows 11, which is incredible when you think about it, and which is also incredible when you think of the very few changes it actually had in 4 years of all the things people are asking. It seems that, I don't know, Microsoft might be too focused on AI. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.